Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Essay on National Tourism Day in 350 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. National Tourism Day. Introduction. National Tourism Day in India is celebrated every year on 25th January. National Tourism Day is a proud day in the history of India. India is a treasure trove of mountains, forests, beaches, historical monuments, and historical sites, etc. National Tourism Day is celebrated for the promotion of these tourist places of India. Celebrating National Tourism Day is an excellent initiative, which has been taken by the Government of India. Purpose and benefit. The main objective of celebrating this day is to encourage and promote tourism by the Government of India. This day is celebrated to explain the essential role of tourism in the development of the country. Tourism plays an important role in the economy of the country from the point of view of trade or business. Tourism provides employment to thousands of people. Tourism increases the GDP of the country, and tourism develops the country. Names of some famous tourist places in India. First, Uttar Pradesh, Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Vrindavan, etc. Second, Delhi, India Gate, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, etc. Third, Jaipur, Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Jantar Mantar, Amer Fort, etc. Fourth, Kolkata, Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum, etc. Fifth, Mumbai, Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Prince of Wales Museum, etc. Sixth, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Dal Lake, Nizam Lake, Shalimar Bagh, etc. 7. Aurangabad, Ajanta Cave, Ellora Cave, Bibi Ka Maqbara, etc. 8. Gujarat, Sabarmati Ashram, Statue of Unity, Gir National Park, etc. 9. Madhya Pradesh, Sanchi Stup, Tiger Cave, Bharat Bhavan, etc. Apart from these, there are Konark Sun Temple, Odisha, Jagannath Temple, Puri, Vivekanand Rock Memorial, Kanyakumari, Golghar, Patna, Lal Bagh, Bangalore, Tiger Hills, Paschim Bengal, etc. Conclusion. India is a very beautiful country for tourism. India is one of the oldest civilizations and cultures in the world. There are many lakes, mountains, historical sites, historical monuments, and historical heritage for tourism, which makes India one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Tourism gives people an opportunity to know about India. Tourists from all over the country and abroad come to see India's civilization, culture, and historical heritage, which increases the country's GDP, country's development, and the country's prestige. Thank you for watching.